Oh my god, what do I do? Oh my god, where's the teacher? Teacher's on your head, bro. The teacher's not on my head, bro. She's in the living room, but she's not going to the TV room. Sorry, my phone's a bit laggy. I opened the door. Where is that stupid teacher? I'm going upstairs, and that's it. She's in the bathroom, I guess. Huh? Scout? Whoa. That's nice. But I don't know. අයියෝ ටීචර් මෙන්න මෙහෙ ඉන්න. නෑ ටීචර් කොහෙද? नानी गासूसी ए කොහෙද ටීචර් යන්නේ?
තක්තුපේ මට නම් මැජික් පියානෝ ආම්ලෝලක් මාමා
He really has a big house, but she lives alone. Come on, there's a TV room already.
I will hang you by your tail, you rat! This will always be my favorite show.
අම්මේ දැන් මම්මේ බලන්නකෝ දැන් මේ මුළු එකම බලන්න දැන් මම අම්මේ බලන්නකෝ අම්මේ
කොහොමද කියන්නේ මහයෝගේ ළමයි
No! What happened to my TV? My favorite show was about to start. What should I wear to the masquerade party? definitely the best chef in the world.